Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hey everyone! Today we're going to have some fun drawing and coloring a cute panda. Let's get started. Start by drawing a big round head. This will be the base for our panda's face. Draw a rounded nose in the center and a smiling mouth to give it that happy look. Now, I draw two oval shapes for the eyes. Make the eyes look sparkly by adding small circles inside. Don't forget the panda's small oval ears, add two on top of the head.
Okay.
Next, draw the panda's body, make it small and chubby to match the cute style. Sketch stubby arms on each side and little legs at the bottom.
Okay.
To make the panda even cuter, let's give it a balloon. Draw a string from the panda's hand and add a round balloon at the top. Draw a simple ground under the panda. A few curves and lines will give it a natural look. Add grass by drawing some small, curved lines and leaf shapes coming from the ground.
Nice!
Okay. So cute.
Now, I draw clouds in the sky.
Nice!
Just a few rounded fluffy shapes will do. Now it's time to color. I use black for the arms, legs, and ears.
Oh, that... Nice!
The belly and face remain white.
Nice!
Yes.
Use black to color the patches around the panda's eyes and the nose. The eyes are black too, but I leave small white spots to make them look shiny. Now, I use red to color the balloon, making it pop out against the rest of the drawing.
Nice!
I color the grass light green to add some freshness. For the ground, I mix maroon and brown to create a warm, earthy tone.
Okay.
Wow!
Finally, I use blue to color the sky.
That's amazing.
Whoa!
Pew, 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 pew. Yes.
This will make the panda and balloon stand out beautifully.
Nah.
Oh yeah.
Whoa!
Pew, 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 pew.
And that's it. Our cute panda drawing is complete. I hope you enjoyed drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tiny hand art videos. See you next time. Bye.